Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of digital marketing. If you've ever wondered what it is, how it works, and why it's so important, you're in the right place. I'm your host, and let's get started with our video on what is digital marketing. Before we jump into the specifics, let's begin with a simple definition. Digital marketing refers to the use of digital channels, such as websites, search engines, social media platforms, email, and mobile apps, to promote products or services and engage with customers. It's all about leveraging the power of the internet to reach a wider audience and drive business growth. Key components of digital marketing. Digital marketing encompasses various key components that work together to create effective marketing strategies. Let's explore some of them. Search engine optimization, SEO. SEO involves optimizing your website and content to rank higher in search engine results. This helps increase visibility and organic, unpaid, traffic to your website. Pay-per-click advertising, PPC. PPC is a model where advertisers pay a fee each time their ad is clicked. It's a way to buy visits to your website instead of relying solely on organic traffic. Content marketing. Content is king. This component involves creating and sharing valuable and relevant content to attract and engage your target audience. It includes blog posts, videos, infographics, podcasts, and more. Social media marketing. Social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn offer powerful channels to connect with your audience, build brand awareness, and drive engagement. Email marketing. Email remains a highly effective method for nurturing leads and staying connected with customers. It involves sending personalized messages, promotions, newsletters, and more via email. Advantages of digital marketing. So, why should you care about digital marketing? Well, here are a few advantages it brings to the table. Global reach. With digital marketing, you can reach a global audience. The internet knows no boundaries, and you can target specific demographics or expand your reach worldwide. Targeted marketing. Digital marketing allows you to target specific groups of people based on demographics, interests, behaviors, and more. This precision targeting helps you deliver personalized messages to the right audience. Cost effectiveness. Compared to traditional marketing methods, digital marketing often offers a more cost-effective approach. There are options to fit any budget, and you can track your campaign's performance in real time, optimizing your spending for better results. Measurable results. Unlike traditional marketing, digital marketing provides detailed analytics and insights. You can measure the effectiveness of your campaigns, track conversions, and adjust your strategies accordingly. And that wraps up our video on what is digital marketing. It's a dynamic and ever-evolving field that opens up new opportunities for businesses to connect with their target audience in meaningful ways. Whether you're a small business owner or a marketing enthusiast, understanding digital marketing is crucial in today's digital landscape. Remember, this was just an introduction, and there's so much more to explore in the world of digital marketing. So, stay tuned for more videos where we'll delve deeper into its various components and strategies. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. And as always, if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.